nakaliang jangi ke sarkar bangin ye trelang ru bat kini ki private hospitals ban penting na ba ka jingthia ka jaka sumar hadu ki ICU bangin don ke jingduna nang ni sekmat hakaban sumar ya kini ki covid patient ke ba man kasgi ka case ka kiu na kapor sya kapor. We have also decided today few mission and private hospitals government will also back up in the form of ramping up the ICU as well as oxygen plant. This also government has decided to extend backing up from the government because we really need to ramp up even the ICU, the ICU rooms in the state because we see the trend of today's positivity, the percentage is quite high and it may keep increasing, we don't know. Therefore, taking into this issue into consideration, so government is also decided to back up the private hospitals, including the mission hospitals, we call it, in the entire state of Meghalaya. So I would request Nagadao Ngakarpat